Buying new tires doesn't always mean you're taking care of your car. In fact, some tires can make your engine work up to 30% harder, quietly costing you an extra $50 or more every month in fuel. That's money disappearing without you even noticing. Today, I'm going to show you 13 tires you should avoid because they hurt fuel economy, wear out faster, or even put your safety at risk. And by the end, I'll also reveal 3 tires that actually improve MPG, save fuel, and make your car feel smoother and more efficient. Let's start. Number 13. Prinks High Country and Fortune Tormenta winter tires. Over 500,000 tires were involved in a major recall. These winter tires were marketed as snow-ready, but testing showed they failed to meet US traction standards. That's a serious issue on icy roads. They're manufactured by Prinks Changshan and sold under the Fortune brand. On paper, they look like a bargain. Low price, aggressive tread, winter rating. But real-world performance tells a different story. The rubber compound creates high rolling resistance, meaning your engine has to work harder just to move the car. More effort means more fuel burned. Drivers often report reduced gas mileage, faster tread wear, and uneven performance. And when the tread wears unevenly, fuel efficiency gets even worse.
Number 12. Wanli and Aptony tires. This one shocked a lot of drivers. Some of these tires actually failed high-speed endurance testing. In 2026, certain Aptony models made by Wanli were recalled due to sidewall separation at highway speeds. That means the tire structure can literally break apart while driving. Now, think about fuel efficiency. Weak construction causes more flex, more heat, more resistance, and that leads directly to higher fuel consumption. These tires may look cheap up front, but over time, you burn more gas, they wear faster, and safety risks increase. Number 11. Galaxy DH241G. This tire had a serious manufacturing defect. The internal rubber layers were not bonded correctly. That means the tire could separate while driving, leading to blowouts. But there's also a hidden cost. These tires are heavier and thicker, which increases rolling resistance. More resistance equals more fuel usage. Drivers also reported uneven wear, which creates drag and reduces efficiency even further. So while they may seem affordable, they end up costing more over time. Number 10. Continental Terrain Contact and Cross Contact. Even premium brands aren't perfect. In 2025, about 7,000 Continental tires were recalled due to a manufacturing issue. The problem? The rubber compound lacked enough sulfur, which is essential for strength and flexibility. Without it, the tire can bulge, vibrate, or even separate. That extra vibration and drag forces your engine to work harder, reducing fuel economy. What's worse? Some of these tires were installed on brand new vehicles, meaning drivers experienced problems immediately. Number 9. Toyo Open Country and Nitto tires. These are popular among off-road enthusiasts. They look tough and promise performance in mud, snow, and dirt. But there's a trade-off. Some batches were recalled due to tread separation risks. And even when they don't fail, aggressive tread patterns create high rolling resistance on pavement. That means lower MPG, more fuel consumption, and higher long-term costs. Many drivers reported worse fuel economy after switching to these tires. Number 8. Goodyear Metro Miler G652. A big-name brand, but still not perfect. Some units were recalled due to manufacturing defects that caused uneven wear and tread separation. Even small defects increase vibration, rolling resistance, fuel usage. Fleet drivers noticed fuel costs rising quickly with these tires. Number 7. Michelin Agilis Cross Climate. Michelin is known for quality, but even they had issues. Some tires couldn't be properly tracked due to identification errors. That means drivers might not even know if their tire is defective. These are also heavier commercial tires, which naturally increase rolling resistance. That leads to reduced fuel efficiency, higher operating costs. Number 6. Cooper Discoverer AT3. A popular all-terrain tire, great for off-road, but not ideal for fuel economy. Aggressive tread patterns increase resistance on pavement, and in 2021, hundreds of thousands were recalled due to sidewall issues. Drivers reported uneven wear, lower MPG, and increased noise. Number 5. Hercules TerraTrack AT2, another all-terrain tire with similar issues. It was part of a major recall due to structural defects. Even when functioning normally, the aggressive tread design creates drag. That drag directly reduces fuel efficiency. Number 4. Cooper CS5 Grand Touring. This one is surprising because it's marketed as efficient, but certain batches had defects causing tread cracking and separation. Even before failure, uneven wear increases rolling resistance. That means your efficient tire ends up burning more fuel. Number 3. Achilles ATR Sport 2. These are budget performance tires. They look sporty and affordable, but nearly 83,000 tires were recalled due to identification issues. Performance tires also tend to have stiffer construction, higher resistance, which reduces fuel efficiency on normal roads. Number 2. Cooper Evolution HT. One of the largest recalls on this list. Over 430,000 tires were affected. Issues included sidewall bulges, separation, and uneven wear. Drivers also reported poor snow performance, shorter lifespan than advertised, and increased fuel consumption. Number 1. Goodyear G159. This is the worst one. A tire linked to serious accidents, injuries, and fatalities. Originally designed for commercial use, it was used on motorhomes. At highway speeds, tread separation caused catastrophic failures. And when tires degrade like this, rolling resistance skyrockets. That means worse fuel economy, higher engine load, and serious safety risks. Now the good news, tires that save fuel. Not all tires are bad. Some actually improve fuel economy. Here are 3 of the best. Number 3. Michelin Energy Saver AS. Designed specifically for efficiency. Features: low rolling resistance, long tread life, and improved MPG. Perfect for sedans and hybrid vehicles. Number 2. Bridgestone Ecopia EP422 Plus, a favorite for fuel savings. Used by manufacturers on many efficient cars. Offers smooth ride, quiet performance, and noticeable MPG improvement. Number 1. Continental True Contact Tour. This tire balances everything: fuel efficiency, strong grip, and long lifespan. Unlike many eco tires, it doesn't sacrifice traction. Before buying any tire, there's one thing you must check, because even the best tire in the world won't save fuel if this is wrong. And most drivers get it wrong every single week. Tire pressure. Incorrect pressure alone can destroy your fuel economy.